Dahil nakakita tayo ng stars ngayon.
Hindi. Papalapit na kasi tayo. Mababawasan na naman tayo. Kasi every single day, I treasure it a lot.
Kahit ako din naman. Lahat naman
Yung mga
tayo.
taong namimit ko, it gives me...
Ano mo kanina? Ano masasabi mo kanina dun sa namin, duet namin ni Jed?
Eh,
Ha?
gusto mo lang kasi kumitan kita.
Ha?
Maganda.
Bugoy no, parang di makapaniwala, no? Dati na pinapanood mo lang sa Class TV.
Oo, dati nanonood ko lang ito sa TV.
Sabi ni kanina, kinuwento ni Direk Joey, pag-enter ni Vina, "Where's Moy Moy?" Sabi niya sa'yo, di ba? "Hey Vina, come here!" Lolo ka talaga.
Sus, Direk, di ba sabi Direk?
Ano?
Sabi ko sa'yo, Direk.
Ano paano?
Hello, Miss Vina. Hello, Vina.
Kaya ginanap siya.
Nainis lang ako.
Bakit nga?
Wala.
Bakit? Bakit?
Ano?
Ba't ka naiinis?
Hindi ako nainis. Lumabas na naman yun sa bibig ko na walang dahilan.
Pero style mo bulok.
Gusto ko mag-swimming.
Ako din.
Mag-swimming tayo mamaya.
After Mr. C.
Strength, pakinggan mo ang lyrics. Strength of God is always there.
Bugs! Sabi mo naman kayo sa
God to lead you
Bugs!
there.
I-ano niya yung charge yung yung iPod, sayang, hindi nagagamit. Lobat.
'Cause over the hill is home. Oh, yeah, over the hill is home. Just down the road is shelter when you don't feel like trying. Keep climbing, 'cause over the hill is home. So, if you ever find yourself out of strength and need of help, know that hope is just a prayer away. The strength of God is always there, a faithful guide to lead you there.
It have to end so soon when you said that you would never leave me. Tell me, where did I go wrong? What did I do to make you change your mind completely? When I thought this love would never end, but if this love not ours to have, I'll let it go with your
Talaga? Really? Really?
I want you to capture that moment. Kasi yung feeling na moment, yung moment na yon, that's when you transfer to those parts that need you to sing it at that point. Yung parang nag-ano kayo, yun, tumakbo kayo,
at first.
tumigil kayo, tapos, why? That's how it is.